Hello everybody, my name is Subhrajit Sahoo, faculty of Narasimha Reddy Engineering College. So I'm discussing about the control statement in C programming language, right? I think this is the third video on the control statement. In the last two video, I have already covered up to the concept of go to and just started the introduction about the if statement. Introduction about the if statement. Up to that, I have discussed in the last two videos. This is my last class discussion. So if condition, about the if conditions, what we came to know. Sorry, if is a conditional control statement. Here I have written the three different syntaxes, right? Three different syntaxes. What the three different syntaxes is saying? Sir, this is as usual syntax. This one is the as usual syntax. Anybody can happily use without no any confusions. Block up statement, clearly it is identified by the opening flower bracket and closing flower bracket. But sometimes the question will become like this without flower bracket. In such case, only the first statement will be considered inside the if block, and the remaining statements, whatever there, if any, then it will be treated as outside of the if block. So to use the concept of if in the program, I will take the help of the keyword known as what? If. If is the keyword. This is the syntax, right? This is the syntax. If is the keyword here, right? So how it is working? Based on the condition true or false, based on that criteria, the if control statement is working here, right? So as I told, here block up statement will be expressed. The block up statement will be expressed by the help of the curly braces. If there is only one statement is there to write under the if condition, then that curly bracket or flower bracket is optional. You may give for that one statement only, you may give, or you may not give, not a problem at all. So this syntax without curly bracket, right? And also this is the third syntax in the same line, also I can write here, no problem at all, right? So these are the several points about the if statement, right? If statement, these are several introductions points. Let me write first one to program on this concept by using this concept of if, then I will solve some questions. I mean interview questions or multiple choice type questions I will solve. This is the C compiler, right? C platform. I have to write the code here. What is my first program I will take here? Okay, my first program, suppose write a program to find absolute value of the number. Absolute value means what? Okay, absolute value means what? Absolute value means the number, the value always positive. Okay, the value is always positive. Absolute value, right? Absolute value means nothing but the value is always positive. Suppose the user entering 7. Okay, Then absolute value of 7 is absolute value of 7. Absolute value is what? 7. Absolute value is 7 only. Suppose user enter -7, then -7 absolute value is what? -7 absolute value is again 7. Okay, if negative number anybody is entering, okay, then I have to convert into positive number, and those all positive numbers will called as absolute value. So what is the requirement this time? Requirement is write a program to find the value, given value is absolute value or given value is absolute value. To check, write a program to check the value is absolute. Observe, a very simple program, very small program also. I'm writing here. First I will, okay, CLR is share function I have to use first. That's why has include onio dot h I'm using. Then here I'm using CLR SCR function. Oh, then here I'm declaring one variable, integer n. N variable name is n, because through this n I will read different value, and I will find those value is absolute value. Okay, those value, or I'll convert those value to absolute value. So for that I'm giving one message here. First printf enter n value. First you enter the n value. Okay, which number you want to check whether it is absolute. If it is not absolute, then it should be converted to absolute. So which value you want to enter, please enter here. Okay, so message will be displayed like this. To read that value, what I will be enter from the keyboard, I have to read. For that I have to use scanf function. Okay, what is the syntax? Format specify comma ampersand n, right? Ampersand n. So up to this line I can able to read the n value. Now what is the logic, sir? Very simple. If n value is less than 0, if n value is less than 0, then what I have to do? Simple, you write, then n become, okay, n become less than 0, right? N value is less than 0, then n become n equal to minus n, n equal to minus n. Now program logic is over, only 1-2 lines, right? Then I'm writing here what? Printf absolute value is percentile d, is percentile d, double quote and comma abs. Sorry, n I have written here, not abs. N abs absolute value I thought, so abs. Next print get ch functions, and print bracket will be closed. Observe any error? Oh, no error. Okay, very good. Control F9. See what is asking? Enter a value, sir. 5 I'm writing. 5, enter. Absolute value is 5, right? Okay, somewhere spelling mistake. OS is is absolute value is 5. Suppose this time I will enter, sir, minus 29. So what is the absolute value of minus 29? Only 29 or not? Absolute value is 29. So we have any number, it should be positive. Okay, if negative we are entering, then the result should be positive. If positive we are entering, by default it's positive. So this positive, all positive value is called as absolute value, right? Absolute value. Sir, is there any other method to write this program? Yes, in another method is that I have to use abs function, abs. So that for using that abs function in the program, I need to include, or I need to use one more header file here. Header file name is very important, math.h. Math.h I am going to use here. Then if n is less than 0, then this logic will not work, because I will change the logic right now. What is the logic here, sir? What is the logic here? Absolute value is directly I will write here what abs of n, abs of, okay. Then if condition here I think not required. Okay, because this is what this is absolute function, that's why any value I will enter. That is only here I will write abs of n. Okay, abs of n. Alt F9, error not there. Control F9, error not there, sir. -7. Absolute value is 7 or not. What output in the previous program I was getting, in the same program also I am getting, by using which function? abs functions. Okay, in the previous program I have written if conditions, I have written, and some logic also I have written. Through that logic I am also able to find the absolute value of a given number. Okay, one case. Second case, by using the absolute function, abs function, which is available in math.h header file. Okay, I'm able to find out the answer. Can I say this abs function internally it is working as just like my previous program? In the previous program, what logic I have written with if statement and some statement I had written in the previous program. Then for the abs function, for this abs function, same logic is written inside the math.h. Okay, then only it is working, then only it is giving the same result as in my previous program, right? So this is one program to find out the absolute value. Sir, let me take this program and I will paste in the note. Okay, I'll paste in the note. Okay, control V. Control V, I pasted here. So I'll cut here, control X. So that program I have not copied here, only the last using AVS function. That program I have copied here, right? Okay, you can write that program also, no problem at all. Once you will understand everything, anything you can write. What is the program name? Program name is write a program. What a control Z. Ah, write a program. Okay, to find the absolute value. Absolute value. Yeah, absolute value meaning what? Always, always positive. Positive, always positive, right? Absolute value of a number. Okay, okay. By number two technique I told you. Okay, okay. What is the two technique? By using abs function or by not using the abs function. Okay, with and without using abs function. Abs is the predefined function, that means already they are available in the C. while the Dennis Ritchie developed the C program, that time also he has given the details of this AVS function inside the math.h header file. So it is a predefined functions using with and without using predefined functions. But the previous program have not used any predefined functions, only used if and some logic, some statement I used, then I able to get the answer. Now this time, observe, control V, control V, right? I'm pasting that program here. Okay, why so much? Okay, control V, observe. This is my program, right? Oh, this is using the ABS function, and without ABS function, only simple if by using simple if, that program I am not written. So you have to write, you just pause the video and write everything. You write alt F5. Suppose output is this one or not, this is the output now. So print screen. Okay, okay, now control N, control. Okay, so this is my output. Okay, I will take from here, control X, and I will go here, control V. Over, over, one program is over. Sir, what is my second program I want to solve? Sir, print, right? Print 1 to 10 number. 1 to 10 number. Okay. Without using without using, okay, using looping statement. Just looping statement will start after this one, without using looping statement. Generally for repetitions purpose we are using the looping statement. Sir, what is the requirement here? I have to print 1 to 10. 1 to 10 I have to print. First one, then 2, then 3, then 4, up to 10. If it will print like this, it is just like repetition or not? After one, what logic I have written to print one, the same logic will be repeat for printing two. Same logic will be written, I mean repeat for printing number 4, number 5, like this. That's why this is called looping statement. But what is the requirement right now? Requirement is without looping statement you print. Okay, 1 to 10 printing with looping statement very easy. Using for loop, using while loop, we can do easily. But requirement is what? Without requirement is without looping statement. Looping state, not statement. Okay, print 1 to 10. Observe, sir, how to print this one. I'm going to the program. Okay, alt enter, alt enter. This time program, observe, very simple program. It is also very simple program, but concentration is required. Concentration is required. Suppose I'm entering 1 to 10. Okay, then this all I have to delete here. Okay, int n equal to 1. 1 to 10 I have to print n equal to 1. Okay, then what I am doing here, if I'll print here, print 1, print 1, comma, sorry, not print, printf 1. Similarly, I can write printf 2 or not. Yes, I can write printf, again I can write 3 or not. Like this, up to printf 4, printf 5, printf 6, printf 10. Okay, like this if you write, observe, immediately I will get the answer or not. Now for this time, up to 3, but for 10 I have to write the printf 10 times. Okay, observe, very okay, 1 2 3 printed or not. But is this programming is a recommended programming, or feasible programming or it is not. Observe, it is not, because it is not a recommended program at all, because same type of thing I'm repeating here. Same type of thing I'm repeating here. Without repeating the same type of thing, can I change the working style or writing style of the program here? Observe what I'm going to do. In this much statement is not required. This much number of statement is not required at all. So I'm writing int n equal to 1. Sorry, int n equal to 1. Okay. Here I'm writing, suppose start start. What is this one? Level or not? Because I told how to identify the level. If colon symbol is there, okay, colon symbol is there, then it will be treated as level. Okay, inside the level, I am writing printf, printf, printf percentile d, percentile d, comma, comma n. I'm writing like this, comma n, right, comma n, comma n, printf percentile d, comma n. So next what I am writing here, observe, okay, semicolon given, okay, sir, n plus plus, n plus plus, n plus plus means first time n equal to 1, now n plus plus n become 2. Okay, n become 2. Okay, what I'll write up to 10 I have to print now. So if I'm writing one condition, if n is less than equal to 10, less than equal to 10, okay, then what I have to do? Again go to start, go to start. Okay, go to start. So over, my program is over. Get ch. Okay, observe all type line. Any error? Where is the error? If n less than, if statement where over tough. Okay, top n plus plus statement missing error. Alt F9. Error rectified. Now control F9. See, 1 to 10 printed or not? No gap is there. Let me give you gap here. What I will write here? Percentile 4D. 4D. That means 4 gap will be generated. Observe Alt F9. Okay, control F9. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 printed or not? Is printed, sir. But how this program is working? How this program is the working? Observe. I am going to explain that and also observe, sir, how this program is working here. Very simple, but knowledge you should have. Knowledge required. This one, sir. Control V. This is my program. Just I executed this program right now. Control V. Okay, observe, sir. Sir, I declare first int n equal to 1. Then what will be happen? This n variable will be created in the computer memory. Okay, n variable will be created in the computer memory. And the value of n is what? The value of n is this time, first time is 1. Now start. Level name is start. Okay, no problem. Then printf 40% percentile 40 n value. What is the n value right now? 1. So it will print 1. It will print 1. 40 means 4 gap, 4 space. Sir, n plus plus. What is the n plus plus? Okay, n plus plus meaning is what? Increment or not? But only n plus plus is there here. So increment value will be assigned and increment will be done. Okay, n plus plus means now this value, this one value. Okay, one value will be changed to which one? 2. Now one will become 2. Okay, one will become 2. Now observe, sir, 2. If 2 is greater than equal to, condition will be checked. What is the condition here? Condition is here n is less than equal to 10. This is the condition. Now see, this time I'll check it. First time which condition checked? 1 less than equal to 10. Condition is true. 1 is, sorry, not 1, n plus plus now, so 2, directly 2. After this, 2 greater than equal to 10, true or false? 2 is less than equal to 10, true or false? True means this under the if, which statement is there, sir? Go to start statement is there. So immediately control moves to jump to start, and inside this start, what is written? Percentile 40 n. Now n is how, what value n will observe here in the box, 2 or not? And immediately 2 will be printed, right? In the same way again, n plus plus, n plus plus means 2 become 3, 2 value become 3, right? 2 value become 3. 1 minute, 1 minute guys, 1 minute. Okay, so this one, discussing this one. Which one discussing? This one, right? So n value 2 will be printed, 1, then 2 will be printed here, right? Then observe, sir, n plus plus, again n plus plus, n plus plus means, so now n will become, now again n will become 3, n value 2 will be deleted, replaced with 3. Now n value 3, condition will be check here. 3 is 3 is less than equal to 10, true or false? 3 is less than equal to 10, true, obviously it is true. True means again under this if, which statement is there? Go to start statement is there. So this statement will be executed. Once this statement will be executed, it will jump to start. In the start, what is there? Percentile 40 n. Right now n value is what? 3, so 3 will be printed. Okay, after that again n plus plus is written. N plus plus means again what will be happen? This value will be deleted and it is replaced with 4, replaced with 4. Okay, okay, replaced with 4. Again condition will be checked. After that, if n will right now 4, 4 is less than equal to 10. Okay, condition true, again true means it will jump, go next statement will be execute. So go to start, again it is go to start. So start, what is there? Print n. Right now n value is what? 3 na? So 4 na, 4 na? So 4 will be printed, right? N value 4 will be printed. Sir, likely again n plus plus, n plus plus means again what will be happen? 4 will be replaced with 5, replace with 5. Similarly, 6 will come, 7 will come, 8 will come, 9 will come, okay, then 10 will come, okay, n will become 10, n plus plus a time will come, n will become 10. So here also all value will be printed, 5 will be printed, 6 will be printed, 7 will be printed, 8 will be printed, okay, 9 will be printed, 9 will be printed, okay, 9 will be printed. Now, now 9 will be printed. Okay, then n plus plus, n plus plus, now n plus plus 9 will be printed. Now n plus plus, n will become 10. Okay, n will become right now 10. So all 5 replace, 6 replace, 7 replace, 8 replace, 9 replace. So n value is 9. So n plus plus, now n will become 10. So 10 is less than equal to 10, condition will be checked. Like this, condition will be checked here. Okay, all condition will be checked. Finally, which condition will be checked? 10 is less than equal to 10. So 10 is less than equal to 10, true or false? True or true, because 10 is less than or equal to 10. Meaning is what? Or equal to. So true or means one, true means true. So true means again go to start. Again inside the start 4D n. N value is what right now? 10. 10 will be printed. 10 will be printed. Then after this 10, n plus plus. Now again n value replaced with 11. N value is replaced with 11. Okay. So condition will be checked. If 11 less than equal to 10. Okay. 11 less than equal to 10. True or false? False. Na? False means what will be happen? This go to start will be not execute. Okay, false. If condition become false, so inside the if this statement was there, so this statement will not execute. The next statement is what? Get ch function and bracket close, program will be terminated. And what output I will going to get? 1 to 10. 1 to 10 output I am going to get here. Okay, so this is my program, right? This is my program. Already I have executed, right? Alt F5. This is the output, right? So what is the next program I will do, sir? Observe. Next program I will do. Okay. I want to write a program. Okay, I want to write a program. Okay, to check the given number is lowercase or not. Okay, lowercase or not. Okay, okay. Later I will do this program. Let me discuss with some interview questions here. Okay, on if interview question I want to discuss first, then I will solve the last program here. Observe, sir. What is the interview questions I want to give you here? I'm writing if okay bracket here. Right. If opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, right? Curly bracket start. Here I'm writing printf a. Okay, printf a card, printf again, printf b, printf b. I'm writing like this, right? Printf b and bracket close, curly bracket close. Then I'm writing printf. What is that? Bracket start already. C, printf c. Next, I am writing here get ch function. Get ch function, right? Get ch function. So what will be the output of this program? What will be the output of this program? Observe. If you observe this, the if having empty bracket, that means no condition. So if there is no condition, then this type of syntax, I will written three syntax now. Have I written this kind of syntax anywhere? No. This kind of syntax is not allowed in if statement, if control statement. So definitely what will the output? Error will come here. Two errors. Okay. Missing statement, if statement missing. That means condition is missing here. That's why this kind of statement is not allowed. So what I'm doing here, I'm writing here minus 10. Okay, minus 10. Minus 10. What is the meaning of minus 10? Minus 10 means it is other than 0. The very important point I forgot to tell. In if statement, 0 is treated as false. 0 will be treated as false. Other than 0, any number, any alphabet, any characters, okay, all will be treated as what? True. Only 0 will be treated as false. Except 0, everything is true. So if minus 10 also it is except 0 or not. So minus 10 also it is true. If it is true, then what will be the answer, sir? What will be the answer? If it is true, then what will be happen? This block of statement will be executed. Condition true means if statements, all statement will be executed. After this statement execute, it go to outside. Outside also one statement is there, printf statement. See, that will also execute. So here output is what? A, B, C. Observe Alt F9. Any error? No error. Okay, warning is showing, but no error. Control F9. ABC printed or not? Okay, so this time I'm giving here. This time I'm giving here condition. Observe, sir. 7.0. Okay, 7.0 percentile symbol I'm giving 2.0. 2.0. Okay, 7.0 percentile 2.0 I'm giving. Sir, what will be the output, sir? 7.0 percentile 2.0. If you observe carefully, this modular operators, okay, now in this condition we are using modular operators with this. Why we are using the modular operators, sir? We are using for finding the remainder. But observe what is the value, which types, float type. There is a rule in the C programming that floating value cannot handle this modular operators. The floating value cannot handle this modular operator here. So if the floating value cannot handle modular operators, okay, now, but here we have written, so immediately error will be displayed here. Again error, alt F9 error. What is the error? Illegal use of floating point. Okay, floating point cannot be used for modular operators. Okay, suppose I will remove here point 0, and here also I will remove here point 0. Happily it will work. The statement become true, so ABC will be print here. So 7 percentile 2, 7 divided by 2, what will be the answer? 2 3 is 6, remainder become 1. That means if 1 is true or not. If 1 is true, then what will happen? A will be print, B will be print, and outside statement also print. Observe alt F9. No error. Control F9. Okay, Control F9. ABC printed or not? Okay. This is one. So this time I'm giving the, sir, 5 percentile 0. 5 percentile 0. What will be the output, sir? 5 percentile 0. Sir, 5 percentile 0. We know we cannot divide any number with 0. If we will divide, it will give infinity. Okay, na? It will give infinity. Observe error will form. Again error. Warning, sorry. Warning is formed here. Error not, warning will be formed. So 5 percentile. But if this statement I will execute in the online compiler, it immediately shown the error. Right? So here what is that? Divisible by 0. Division by 0. Division by 0. Warning will be showing. That means a number cannot be divided by 0. So if we divide by 0, what will happen? The answer will result will be infinite. That's why this warning will be shown here. Okay. So next what I'm doing here. Okay. Next what I'm doing here. I'm changing again. I'm changing the condition. Observe. Sir, A divided by B divided by B. What will be the output, sir? A divided by B. Sir, here I'm not dividing two characters. I'm dividing two characters here. But generally we know the numbers can be divided. Okay, 10 divided by 2, 20 divided by 10. But here this time I'm dividing the character. Possible or not possible? 100%, 100%, 100% possible, because internally to these characters ASCII value will be assigned. A ASCII value is 97, B ASCII value is 98. So A divided by B meaning is what internally? 97 divided by 98. So 97, 98 if we divide, what will be the answer I will get? 0. If we divide 97 with 98, I will get the answer 0. Percent value becomes 0. If 0 means false or not? False means A, B will not print. False means this block of statement will be not print, not execute. Outside, directly outside statement will be execute. What is the outside? C. Print C. Print C will be execute here. So observe, sir. Output. Output is C or not? 1 minute, guys. Light come. Compile. What happened? Oh, set. Sorry. Light come, guys.